So there should never be unfiltered sound. Filtration is very important. You can't get your dream. You can't get your dream.
You can get your dream if you really work hard.
You're talking about a dream. You're going in a single tone, right? You're just highlighting your tone. That's very good.
Okay.
But when you just talk about a loophole and a low point, then you need to just go down.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
You can do it if you believe in yourself.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
You can do it if you believe in yourself.
You can do it if you believe.
Arise yourself.
Arise yourself.
Right.
You are the hope of many people like me. I have a hope.
And so first, let me explain you that what is mock interview. Mock interview is all about a trial interview. For example, you go for the final interview. So before that, in the training mode, we conduct some of the mocks. And those mocks, which is a trial one, that's called mock.
Oh,
right.
Okay.
For example, Mr. Shahansa Siddiqui, right, just cracked UPSC interview.
Okay.
Before that, he just gave so many mocks. And fortunately, we were also the part of his mocks, right?
Okay.
So today we are going to talk about the intonation, the phonetics, the pronunciation, the accentuation, the tonality, the stress, the pitch, the pause, right? Most importantly, when you talk about American accent, when you talk about any accent and any dialect. So in this case, what we need to understand, we need to understand the strategies of taking a pause, proper pause, stressing your syllable and words, just, giving up solid pitch actually to a particular word. It's very important. So when we talk about something, for example, randomly, if I say to Mr. Naresh, please, if you are standing in front of thousands of people in an auditorium and you have a topic to speak, and the topic is dream, the power of a dream. So what will be the words of Mr. Naresh and how will Mr. Naresh describe this?
Sure, sir. First of all, I would say thanks to you. I'm really feeling well that you have given me this topic. And the topic, if you talk about the dream, dream is the thing which can change your life forever. Why I'm telling you, until you don't have a dream, you are working without purpose in your life, without goal. So once you get the dream in your life gets changed. I can give you my example. I'm not giving you a fake example. Before the dream which I had, as I told you, what is my dream? Earlier I was just doing my work without any, goal. But now I have a goal. I know my path. So I know my path and I know how I have to
Now
work.
listen, what is my segmentization? I have just given you a kind of atmosphere of an auditorium. I didn't say and ask to you to just, tell me and express to me. I said you're standing as a speaker, as an orator in front of the thousands of people. And there you're gonna just talk about the power of a dream and the dream. You have to speak in this way.
Okay, so yes, there's a huge power in the dream. Let's take an example. You are just without dream, you're going here and there. Once you get the dream, your life gets changed automatically. How? Because you know your path, where you have to go. I can give you one example. One of my friend, he had a dream that he wanted to become an IPS officer. And he worked very hard. One day what happened? His dream got broken. So
now listen, you're talking about a dream. You're going in a single tone, right? You're just highlighting your tone. That's very good.
Okay.
But when you just talk about a loophole and a low point, then you need to just go down. Need to stress your sound and lower your tonality. For example, I'm talking about a dream which makes you, a dream which breaks you. A dream is most important and the most important thing. Yes, you have to look the dream to achieve the dream and you have to struggle and work hard for your dreams. But have you ever imagined that if your dreams are broken? If your dreams are broken, what do you feel the time it hurts you? The time it, pains you. And one of the times my friend's dream got broken. Now, when the dream gets broken, you can never go to the high sound.
Oh,
You understand? Because somewhere the dream has been broken. But one of my friend was there whose dream got broken.
my friend was there, but his dream was broken.
This is what the lower town. Yes, come on, go with this. Yes.
So what he's doing nowadays, he just preparing for himself.
Now you are again in the auditorium, right? Not out of the auditorium. You need to maintain that.
So
yes.
now what he's doing nowadays is preparing for himself for next level.
Hmm.
When I met him, I made him understand. See, if you are doing something in your life, doesn't matter, it will get you very easily. You will have to strive to get that thing. Doesn't matter, it did not get you one time, but you need to work hard with the consistency. Consistency is the point which can make your dream into reality. Otherwise, there are many people in this world, they want to get one thing and they're not getting. But say, if it gets you, all right. If it does not get you, not think about it, because being a person, we have so many options. If you're not doing something good in one line, or you have another options. For an example, you speak very well. Why you can be a motivator? Why you can't be a English teacher? Why you can't be an English trainer? Why you just want to be why just you want to be the crack only UPSC exam? What is the reason behind of that? Tell me.
Right. Going.
Then he said, actually, this is not my dream. I want to earn a lot of money. So I told him, if you really want to earn money, you can do another thing like that. You can be a teacher. You can be a part-time English trainer because you speak very well. Why you are not taking this?
Now pause. The point is, it's going good, right? But the requirement is there of the vibration.
Okay.
Vibration in the sound, that when the sound comes as a flat sound, this is called unfiltered sound, right? So there should never be unfiltered sound. Filtration is very important. Filtering your sound is very important. For example, sometimes while speaking, your tone comes flat as a flat, right? Okay, you have a dream. So you can get your dream. And you can achieve your dream if you work hard. It's called flat tone, flat sound. Okay, you have a dream. And if you work hard, you can get your dream. Now see the vibration, You can't get your dream. You can't get your dream. You can't get your dream. Speak in this way.
You can get your dream if you really work hard.
Yes. Go with
you
some
can
more.
do that.
Yes.
Just believe on yourself and you can do it.
Okay, and just go with the that heavy sound. Go with the heavy sound. Yes.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
You can do it if you believe in yourself.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
You can do it if you believe in yourself.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
You can do it if you believe in yourself.
You can do it if you believe on yourself.
No, the sound is not coming from the, see, diaphragm, which is called, right, diaphragm in the terms of music, right, it means that the sound just comes from the stomach, right? Well, you can believe in your dreams. Now it's coming from here, right?
You can't believe on your dreams.
It's not vibrating. There is no vibration, right? That's what you have to understand, right? You have to believe in your dreams.
You have to believe on your dream.
Now it's coming little bit coming.
You have to believe on your dream.
Little bit coming.
You have to believe on your dream.
You have to believe in your dreams.
You have to believe on your dreams.
You have to believe in your dreams.
You have to believe on your dreams.
So ladies and gentlemen. This is called vibration. Vibration. So ladies. And gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. This is my time.
This is my time.
This is your time.
This is your time.
This is the moment of dreams.
This is the moment of dream.
Don't make yourself comfortable.
So make yourself
Don't
comfortable.
make yourself comfortable.
Don't make yourself comfortable.
Don't sit and see the dreams.
Don't see the dream, your dreams.
Don't sit and see the dreams.
Don't sit and see the dreams.
Get up.
Get up.
And
And
analyze yourself.
arise yourself.
Analyze yourself.
And arise yourself.
Walk.
Walk.
Go.
Grow.
Proceed.
Proceed.
March.
March.
And hunt your
And
dreams.
hunt your dreams.
And hunt your dreams.
And hunt your dream.
And get your dreams.
And get your dream.
Dream
So dream
is power.
is a power.
Dream
Dream
is a strength.
is a strength.
Dream is yours.
Dream is yours.
Dream is yours.
Dream is yours.
Dream is mine.
Dream is mine.
Dream is his.
Dream is his.
Everybody has a dream.
Everybody has a
अब
dream.
इसी मोशन में बोलते रहिए ऑडिटोरियम है 1 लाख
Everybody
लोग
has a dream.
Yes.
So just to work very hard to achieve your dream. No matter what, it's taking your work hard. Just be work day and night. Either if you're getting too much tired, don't think about
yes
time.
yes
Just
going good
keep working your way as you work. See, there are so many examples in front of us who has worked very hard.
Yes.
But they belong to poor family. Don't believe that if you're just born in the poor family, you will be the poor always.
yes
Your hard work one day will pay it off. Just wait for your day. And once your day will come, your whole life will be changed forever.
that's right going good like in this way it's going
So-
in this way it's going
In this-
suddenly it will be like this
So your whole life will be changed forever.
forever right
Forever.
if you work hard if you have a dream you just struggle and chase your dream and one day your life will be changed
Yes, sir. You're telling right. The same thing I told to you. So many of my friends, they have been tired to do work very hard.
yes
I said you have two options.
Yes.
Either you can give up
Yes.
or just keep following your dream.
yes
It's totally rely on you.
Yes.
Don't believe that someone will come to you
Yes.
and they will tell you get up and chase your dream.
yes that's what the point is right look the confidence is coming right so what do you need to do diaphragm right which is like vibration the more vibration
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
This was the thing.
yes
I was looking for a long time to learn.
yes
Sorry to interrupt you.
no issue
So that was the reason I came here.
yes I understand
I come here from very far.
right
And you got my point today. So I really admire you. That the thing which I have been looking for a long time, you just found it. Even I have written you in the text. Once I hit you the text, then that time I asked you, so how I can speak without any filter,
Yes.
without any stopness. So
Yes.
that
Pause,
was the
right,
thing,
yeah.
without any pause.
yes right I understand that
Yes,
you're
you
going good
understood.
you understood that that's why just personally I called you here
Thank you so much for it. That's the reason I'm feeling out of the moon that I came here. You called me. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, right?
Yes.
So it's my honor, it's my duty to actually train you, right?
Thank
Because
you, sir.
I believe personally, if I train you, I will be more prospered. I will be more
So
prospered, right?
It means a lot to me.
Thank you very much.
Really, sir, really.
Right. This is what I'm saying, right? Because the moment, we start speaking, so sometimes what happens that language is a barrier to understand, right?
Yeah.
Like, for example, we are speaking to villagers, right? And if they don't understand the language, so what we can do in that case, the way of speaking, the style of speaking, right? That fascinates and hooks the people. Hey, man, this guy, what a style, man.
The same thing happened with me when
Yeah.
I watched your first video.
Hmm.
I was very fascinated to watch your video. The person, how he is explaining, I wonder, even, I would say, sir,
Hmm.
this is I'm telling you from bottom of my heart, I have been searched many of the people, many of the teachers in India I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I have been following all the
International
international
personalities.
people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But India, I have seen you are the one person in India. I would say that you are the number one Indian teacher who has all the knowledge about voice and accent and each and everything. So that's the reason I come here. You are the number one Indian teacher, I would say.
Thank you. It's just
I'm
an
not
honor for
telling
me.
you, this is not the, I'm telling you that you are my teacher.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
when I listen, when I talk to you, I have been to many institutes, but I haven't found your kind of teacher.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You deserve it. You work hard. That's the reason you are here. People
Right.
admire you.
Thank you very
Like
much.
me, like other people.
Right.
You are the hope of many people like me. I have a hope, too much hope too. That's the reason.
Thank you. It's my
Yeah.
pleasure to actually,
Yeah.
work for you, right? It's my
Yes.
pleasure. It's my honor to just, fulfill all your expectations for what you
Thank
have
sir.
come here, for what you come here, right? So we will keep on doing this, right? So I want